Hi, I'm Kiana. You survived too many storms to be bothered by raindrops. I used to think about, I used to care about what people thought about me until I tried to pay my bills with their opinions. The struggle bus should have a loyalty rewards program. I don't mind being the villain in your story because you're a clown in mine. Don't wait until you reach your goals to be proud of yourself. Be proud of every step you take. You deserve to be in an environment that brings out the softness in you, not the survivor in you. The right one will know all your weaknesses and never use them against you.